Hi friends, so this video shows how to install Google Chrome browser. Go to google.com/chrome, then click on download Chrome, then select 64-bit .deb for Debian or Ubuntu, then click on accept and install, then save this file. So I already downloaded this file, so this is the file in downloads folder. So open terminal, then go to downloads folder, then run this command sudo ppkg -i, then the name of the path of downloaded deb file, then press enter. You can see now it's unpacking Google Chrome stable. Okay, done. So let me search for Chrome. You can see the Chrome icon here. Click on that. So this way we can install Google Chrome. If you want to uninstall, we can uninstall Google Chrome. So for that we need to run this command sudo apt purge google-chrome-stable. If you run this command, you can see the following package will be removed. Google Chrome stable. Type Y and press enter. So now it's removing Google Chrome. Okay, done. So after that, if you search, so there is no Google Chrome. So this way we can install and uninstall Google Chrome browser.